Hello and good morning, everyone. Today is the 18th of January 2021, Monday morning here in Hamburg. My name is Maurice Rothwell, English trading coach here at Traders Club 24. So today we're going to be doing our opening market trade for the morning. Our setup for the next 5 minutes as we're going to get the German market opening at 9 o'clock German time. So first things first, we're going to go down to our DAX chart, open up a new window. Got our window opened up, template, just right click the mouse, template into the chart, and we're going to go to the DAX, open range breakout DAX, specifically made for this trade in the morning. When we look at the chart, you see that there's a few things in there. First of all, you'll notice these horizontal purple lines. These are called big number trades simply because they are big numbers in the market price. We consider these to be kind of pivot points in the market. Um, And then next you'll see the vertical lines. These are just separating the days themselves. So what we're going to do next is going to take it down to our minute chart and make that bigger. And then we're going to come in and look at this orange box. This orange box is our open range breakout. So we're taking our range from the specific time, taking the highs and the lows. And usually at 9 o'clock when we get that market opening, we're going to see a breakout from this range. This morning, you can see we've already had a breakout from that range. Um, which can be good news. As at 9 o'clock, we're going to expect some more movement. So if there's already volatility available, then yep, we should get that later on. Now we've got that open in the chart. We're going to go to the left. We're going to see the expert advisors, and we're going to double click on our Swiss box. I need to change that magic number as I currently have a few others open in the MetaTrader. And here is our Swiss box configurator. So this is where we create all of the settings for our preferences of trading. So we have here, if I turn, first of all, we're going to have this line here. Click that, we turn the box on, and then you'll see these two lines appear in the chart, a red one and a green one. These represent two pending orders. So the green being a buy stop, red being a sell stop. Essentially what we're trying to do here is trap the market within this range of the box before any expected breakout. So henceforth why we trade the morning and the afternoon market openings, because there is a high chance that we're going to expect some volatility or at least some movement. So once we've got our box lines, we're going to go down and we're going to see these different sets. These are different presets for risk management and target profit. One being the smallest risk and four being the highest, and also one being the smallest target profit and four being the highest target profit. So today we're just going to go with our set two. What we're going to do, we're going to come out to the market. We've got our open range here. We can see that we've already broken out from that morning range. So what we can do is we can move our box to something which we call a C box. Here is our range. We've already broken from this. So we have this option, which is a C box trade, which is just at the bottom of the range, expecting us for a breakout towards the top. So what we do, if we're happy with where our box is placed, we just place the box there and click on. So now we have a pending box. And as soon as the market moves out of this range, past the green line or the red line, it's going to trigger one of our pending orders. So if the market's going to move up, it's going to trigger that buy, and we're going to catch that movement on the way up through the chart. However, if it goes down, we're going to catch the movement on the downside too. So let's have a look. So here we go. First trade is now triggered. We've moved past that green line and we have a blue line which has now appeared in the chart. This is our take profit line, automatically calculated by the Swissbox configurator due to what our settings are, our preferences. So in this case, our size here, percentage, and the target percentage are the same number. So what this means is, for me, my take profit is always going to be the same distance away from my box as the box itself. So we've got about a minute now until the market opening. We can see that there's a bit of agitation. And you can see I currently have some other trades open in the market as well. So there's our second trade. We've moved back down through the box and we've now triggered a second trade on this Swiss box. So the great thing about the Swiss box, we no longer need to trade the direction, or as I like to think, guess the direction of what the market is going to do, because nobody knows in which direction it's going. So our Swiss box will continuously trigger trades within this range until we catch a breakout. So it's very important that we follow market opening plans or any kind of um, big news announcements which are going to be have a high impact into the market movement. Third trade triggered now. So you can see that with each trade that gets triggered, our lot sizes also go up in increments. Now this is in order to cancel out the previous trade, but also end up in our target profit within the 15 points. So we're here maximum, we need a maximum of 30 points of movement in either direction. So if it goes 30 points up or 30 points down, we're in and out of any trade. And usually for the DAX, we have 120 points of movement every day. So we can see we've got our third trade triggered. So our take profit here is 0.02%, which for a 10,000 account will be around €2. However, what we can do, we can press our next to the auto, we have a custom target, and we can always move that target to wherever we like. And you can see just moving it a few points, doubles, triples, quadruples what our original target was. And there's our trade. We got our movement up towards the top. It's as easy as that. So we just need to follow our basic rules. And more times than most, we're going to be in and out of our trades very quickly, especially in the morning. So I want to say thank you very much for watching. If you find it interesting, our style of trading and our trading tools, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video, and also take a look at our website, tradersclub24.com. Subscribe and click on the 30-day free trial, and one of our trading coaches will be giving you a call shortly after. Okay, thank you very much.